Watch this. I can walk on the curb blindfolded. Basically, that was amazing! I meant to do that. Finders keepers, right? We give it back. Nobody's watching us. It matters because it's the right thing to do. It's mine! Stop!
Okay, everybody ready?
Yes! Let's go!
Great. Let's go for a walk.
Can we go to the park?
Sure, why not? It's a beautiful day today.
Can I bring my phone?
No phones, Tom. Just enjoy the walk, okay?
Fine. Whatever. This better be worth it. Oh, it will be. Trust me.
You know, this walk is going to change our whole day. Something crazy is about to happen. So stick around. You won't believe what we find.
Dad, look! A dog!
Aw, but don't touch it, sweetie.
Okay. This is so boring.
Tom, come on. Look around. Enjoy the fresh air.
I'd rather play video games.
You say that every time, but trust me, today's different.
Dad, can we get ice cream after this?
Maybe, if everyone behaves.
Guys, stop it. Let's just enjoy the walk.
Wait, what's that? What's what? Whoa, it's a wallet! No way! Let me see.
A wallet? Where did you find it?
Right here, next to the bench.
Oh, wow. Someone must have dropped it.
There's money in here. A lot of money. Whoa, how much? I don't know. Maybe $100? Oh my gosh, we're rich!
Whoa. Slow down, guys.
Finders keepers, losers weepers. This is ours now. What? No, that's not right, Tom. Why not? I found it. It's mine. It's not yours. It belongs to someone else. So what? They should be more careful. Tom, that's a horrible thing to say. Oh, come on. Nobody will ever know. I can't believe you right now. Stay out of this, Emma. No. This is wrong, and you know it.
Okay, both of you, calm down.
I'm not giving it back. Dad, tell him he's wrong.
All right. Let's all take a breath. Tom, come here for a second.
What?
Do you remember when I lost my wallet last year?
Yeah, you were really upset.
That's right. I was so worried. Not about the money, about my important cards, my pictures, and the things inside.
What happened? A stranger found it.
And returned it to me. He didn't have to, but he did. That man made my whole week better. Just imagine, someone out there is looking for this wallet right now, feeling exactly how I felt.
See? Put yourself in their shoes, Tom. Okay, fine. Maybe we should give it back.
That's my boy.
I knew you'd come around. Yeah, don't push it.
Let's look for some clues. Maybe there's an ID card.
Here, there's a driver's license. What's the name? It says Robert Wilson.
Wilson? That sounds familiar.
There's a photo, too.
Aw, let me see.
It's an old picture. A man and a woman. And some kids. Wait, isn't that the house on Maple Street?
Maple Street? That's just 2 blocks from here. Excuse me, are you Mr. Wilson?
Yes, that's me. Can I help you?
Sir, is this your wallet?
Oh my goodness! Yes, that's mine.
We found it near the park.
I've been looking everywhere for this.
Is everything okay, Mr. Wilson?
That picture was the only thing I was worried about losing.
Is that your family?
Yes, my wife passed away last year. This is the last photo we took together.
I'm so sorry, sir.
Thank you, sweetheart. You have no idea how much this means to me. Thank you so much, kids. You made an old man very happy today.
You're welcome, sir. See? I told you it felt better this way. Okay, you were right. Happy now? Very happy.
I'm proud of both of you.
Now, who wants that ice cream?
Me!
Let's go get some.
Sounds good.
Mom, wake up! There is something outside. Look at the shadow. It is so big. I am scared. What is it, Tom?
Everybody, stay inside the tent. Do not move. Be quiet.
Today is the day! We are going to Canada!
I am so excited. I want to see the mountains and the big trees. I want to see a bear. Are there bears in Canada, Dad?
Yes, Tom, there are bears, but they live in the forest. We will not see one. Do not worry.
Okay, everyone, bags in the car. Let's go!
Wow. Look at that lake. It is so blue. And the mountains. They are very tall. I can see snow.
This is beautiful. I love it here.
Our campsite is near the river. We will set up the tent before dark.
Can I help, Dad?
Of course, you are a great helper, Tom.
Welcome to Banff. Enjoy your trip.
Wow, look at the mountains, kids. We made it.
Wow. This hot dog is delicious. Can I have one more?
Okay, but this is the last one. It is getting late.
Dad, look at the stars. There are so many.
Yes. In the city, we cannot see stars like this. It is special here.
Remember, children, put all the food inside the box. Do not leave food outside.
Why, Mom? Because animals can smell food. Bears love food. Bears? Cool. Emma, do you hear that? Mom, wake up! There is something outside.
Everybody, stay inside the tent.
Do not move. Be quiet.
Oh no, it is a bear. A very big bear.
Do not run. Do not make noise. Stay calm.
Is that the bear I wanted to see?
Yes, but this is not the right time. Please be quiet, Tom.
Is it gone?
Yes, it is gone. Good job, everyone. You were very brave.
That bear was so big. Bigger than our car. Whoa! I was very scared. My heart was fast, like this.
Bum, 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 bum. Me too, Emma.
Mom, you said the food box was important. You were right.
The bear smelled the food. But the box was closed, so it left.
We were safe because we followed the rules. Always listen to the rules in nature.
Look what you've drawn. That's amazing.
I know, I'm so proud of her.
That's wonderful.
I am drawing the bear. Look, Dad.
Wow, that is a great drawing. Your bear looks very scary. I love the teeth.
I am writing our story. The night we met a giant bear in Canada.
This is a trip we will never forget.
Can we go back to Canada next year? Maybe we will see the bear again.
Maybe, Tom. Maybe.
Good morning, everyone.
Eat up, kids. We're running late.
Hurry up, kids. The school bus comes at 8 o'clock.
Dad, I am ready. I have my bag. I am almost ready. Where is my red pencil case?
It is on the table, Emma. Come and eat your bread. Where's Sarah?
I don't know. She was here 1 minute ago. Maybe she is in the bedroom?
I will look for her. Please finish your breakfast. Sarah? Are you okay? Where are you? Are you in the bathroom, Sarah?
Yes. I am in here. Please wait a moment.
We are late. The kids need to go to school.
I know. My stomach hurts. I needed the toilet right now.
Oh. Are you okay? Do you need medicine?
No, I am fine. I ate too much fruit last night. Please, just 1 more minute.
Emma, why is Dad standing at the bathroom door? I don't know. Maybe Mom is sick? I heard Mom say her stomach hurts. Oh, that happened to me last week. I ate too many green mangoes. Ha! Me too. It is not nice.
Okay, kids. Mom is okay. She just needs a few more minutes.
But Dad, the bus is coming at 8.
I know. Pack your bags. I will take you to school today by car.
Yay! Dad's car is faster than the bus.
Tom, please bring Mom a glass of water. Put it near the bathroom door.
Yes, Dad, I can do that. Let's go, hurry!
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. I am done. I feel much better now.
Moom! We were so worried!
Haha, I'm sorry, Tom. Thank you for the water. That was very sweet. I ate 8 mangoes. 8? Yes. That was a big mistake.
8 mangoes. No wonder.
Okay, kids, remember, don't eat too much of anything. Even fruit.
I will remember that, Mom. Especially mangoes. And green mangoes, too, right, Mom?
Yes, Emma, both green and ripe. Have a good day at school.
Let's go! Say goodbye to Mom.
Bye, Mom. I love you. Love you, Mom. Rest and drink water.
I love you all too. Go, go, go!